Hello, welcome to HimL demo tutorial. My name is Hilde and I'm going to tell you about HimL demo application. HimL, or Health in My Language, is an European Union funded research and innovation project dealing with machine translation in the public health domain. Our goal is to create the best possible machine translation systems to translate public health domain data from English to German, Polish, Czech, and Romanian. There are 3 universities involved in this project: Ludwig Maximilians University, Munich, the University of Edinburgh, Charles University in Prague. There are also 2 non-commercial organizations from the public health sector: Cochrane, NHS 24, and 1 commercial partner, Lingea. We have been working hard the last 3 years and we are happy to present to you what we have achieved. This tutorial will show you how to use the HimL demo application, which is virtually the most basic implementation of our project results. As you can see, the application looks pretty simple and straightforward. All you need to do to be able to try it is choose your localization. This does not affect the translation outcome. It's here just for your comfort. Choose input form, plain text. Write your text or copy it from any source and paste it in the text box below. With this option, formatting will be ignored. Formatted text. Copy text from any source and paste it in the text box below. Formatting should be preserved here. URL address. Copy or write an address of a website which you would like to have translated in the URL address field. File. Choose a HTML or text file from your hard drive. Write your text or copy it from any source and paste it in the text box below. Choose which languages you want to translate your document to. You can choose more than 1 language. As there were 2 non-commercial partners involved in this project, we have 2 translation systems for every language. Therefore, you will receive 2 results for every target language you have chosen. Write your email here. When your translation is ready, we will notify you by sending an email to this address. Now you can hit the translate button. If everything is alright, a green box should appear under the translate button stating, "Your text was successfully uploaded." You will receive the translation by email as soon as it's finished. As it was mentioned before, this demo is just the most basic of all possible implementations. There are lots of ways to improve and adapt it to the client's respective needs. Let's talk about the local server implementation first. If you are concerned about online client-server service safety, or if you process confidential data, we can deploy this translation system on your server so they are inaccessible from outside your network. You are about to try our HimL demo application, which we could call it the basic scenario 1. The user uploads files and receives translation from the MT system in a matter of minutes. In the basic scenario 2, there is already a human translator involved. The user uploads files and receives translations from a company-assigned human translator after he or she has approved or post-edited the MT translation from the MT system. Basic scenario 3 is a combination of the previously mentioned scenarios where the user uploads files and receives translations from the MT system in a matter of minutes, but also a human translator approved version a little later on. Now, all the previous scenarios can be just as well implemented on remote servers And for the basic scenario 2 and 3, proofreading or post-editing can be carried out by an outside translator, or even by a company like Linkea or another contracted entity. I could go on about other possible implementations, but there are too many of them to mention them all. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us and we can tailor for you an implementation most suited to your needs. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.